Here we go with the last video. These are probably the harder ones for a lot of people. Maybe not. Switch colors here. Bill's weight is 2 more than triple Mark's weight. Together they weigh 326 pounds. How much does each person weigh? Here's what a lot of people are going to write. Bill's weight is 2 more than triple Mark's weight. And then they'll say 2 plus 3m equals 326 and think that they've just solved it. Here's the problem. 2 plus 3m is only Bill. That's Bill. We have to include Mark's weight. Because together, m plus b is 326, right? So we're replacing b with 2 plus 3m. We can't leave out the m. So my equation is what I have here. But I'm gonna combine like terms, m and 3m, and make 4m plus 2 equals 326. Subtract 2, I get 4m equals 324. Divide by 4, I get m. So Mark weighs 324 divided by 4 is 81 pounds. And Bill weighs, let's see, we have to use this right here to help us. So 2 plus 3 times 81. 3 times 81 is 243. So 2 plus 243. Bill weighs 245 pounds. Okay. Another consecutive integer problem. These are even integers. So with even integers, x is the first number. To get to the next even integer, you add 2, right? Because you add 1, you're going to get to an odd number. You add 2, you're going to get to another even. And then x plus 4 is going to be the third. And then x plus 6 is going to be the fourth. There's 4 here. Make sure you see that. Now I'm going to go ahead and combine my like terms on this one. So that's 4x. 2 plus 4 plus 6 is 12. Equals negative 116. Subtract 12. Negative 116 minus 12 is negative 128. Divide by 4, I get x equals negative 32. So what are the integers? So negative 32 plus 2 is not negative 34, it's actually negative 30. And then negative 28, and then negative 26 are my 4 numbers. An average problem. Tiger scored 67, 71, and 64 on his first 3 rounds of golf. What would he have to score on his last round to average a 70? All right, so average is adding up the numbers, 67 plus 71 plus 64. That's the first 3. But if he wants an average of 70 after 4 rounds, he needs a 4th score. We don't know what that is yet, so we're going to put plus x. Divide by 4 to get the average, and we want the average to equal 70. Multiply by 4. So 67, 71, 64 plus x equals 280. I'm going to combine those like terms. That equals 202. Subtract 202, and I get 78. So he would need to score 78 on the 4th round. Okay, my equation, by the way, was right here. I didn't write it again because I didn't think I'd be able to fit it, but there's my equation. 19, Emily, Greg, and Sarah go to an ice cream shop. Greg's dessert has 400 more calories than Emily's dessert. Sarah's dessert has 50 calories less than double Emily's dessert. How many calories are in each person's dessert if the total calories eaten by the 3 people is 2,650? So, a lot here. 3 people. So I'm going to say E plus G plus S equals 2650. Okay, so that's the 3 people's calories added up. Now, Emily is who they're comparing to. So I'm going to leave Emily alone. I'm going to look at Greg. Greg has 400 more calories than Emily. So 400 plus E. So I'm going to take Greg out and put 400 plus E. And that's Greg. Sarah had 50 calories less than double Emily's. So double Emily's minus 50. So I'm going to take S out and put 2E minus 50. Now that's Greg, that's Sarah. We forgot Emily. That's what most people will do, is forget that E. So right there, that all equals 2650. That whole thing is my equation. And now I solve it. E plus 2E is 4E. 400 minus 50 is 350 equals 2650. Subtract, I'm going to run out of room here, but subtract 350, I get 4E equals 2300. And I get Emily has 575 calories. Greg has 400 more than that, so 975. And then to get Sarah's, I would double 575. So 575 times 2 is 1150, and then subtract 50. Sarah's has 1100. Okay. Last one's pretty tricky. I'm not going to do anything like this to you, but it's good to see. The difference between Steve's and Molly's age is 22. Steve is older. So Steve minus Molly. You got to take the older person minus the smaller person, or the younger person. And that equals 22. Okay, 3 less than double Molly's age. So double Molly's age, subtract 3 is Steve's age. So now I'm going to take that and put it in for Steve. So I've got 2M minus 3, that's Steve, minus Molly's age equals 22. So 2M minus M is 1M minus 3 equals 22. Add 3, I get Molly is 25 years old. Okay, Steve then is 2 times Molly's age, so 2 times 25 minus 3, that's 50 minus 3. Steve is 47 years old. Okay, and that's all the problems. Hopefully that helped. If you're watching this for checkpoint B, hopefully you do better. Okay, good luck.